So you're given an absolute value equation here and asked to choose the graph of it. So let's first look at what the standard form of an absolute value equation is. And so y equals a times the absolute value of x minus h and then plus k. And so a couple things to notice about this, that so this value in front of the absolute value, that does a couple things for us. One thing it does is it gives us the slope of the line. And the other is it tells us whether this is a V that opens upward or opens downward. And so if I look at the A value, if it's a positive A value, then you're going to get a V that opens upward like so. And if it's a negative value, then it's going to be a V that opens downward. And that's very similar to quadratic equations. Quadratic equations also have that A and they act the same way here. So our A value is positive 2/3. So I know this is an upward facing V. So that eliminates C and D, C and B. Sorry. So my answer is either A or D because that's a positive A opening upwards. The other thing we can look at is the axis of symmetry. And the axis of symmetry is the line that goes right down the middle of this. And to find that, you can set the absolute value part equal to 0. And so x minus 2 equals 0. That means x would be equal to 2. So my axis of symmetry is at 2. So, sorry, we said it was either A or D. So this one has an axis of symmetry at 2. This one has an axis of symmetry at -2. So it's going to be D. But let me just show you one more thing. So you can find the vertex, which the vertex is the point of that V. So the vertex would be right here. And you can find the coordinates of that using h comma k. So hk gives you the vertex. And if we look at our formula here, remember the standard form is minus h. So when I have -2 here, that means that my h value is positive 2, not negative. So my h value is 2, and then the k value is -4, so that's -4. So the vertex is at 2, -4, and so you can just confirm that here, go right 2 down 4, and there's the vertex. All right, so keep working hard, and you will master the math.